Sa ngayon ay narito ako sa MPS Aroroy na kung saan ay kukunan natin ng pahayag ang hipi ng Municipal Police Station dito sa bayan ng Aroroy upang ikangay malaman natin iyaong pong kanilang na-receiving International Award. Kasama natin ang putihing hipi ng Aroroy Municipal Police Station kung saan ito ay may kinalaman naman sa kanilang International Award na na-receive dito nga po sa kanilang himpilan, at ito naman po ay ni-award ng Singapore na isa sa pinakamataas na karangalan ng kanilang natanggap. Sir, magandang umaga po.
Yes sir, magandang umaga po at sa ating mga nanonood at mga subscribers.
Apo. So sir, maaari mo bang ma-elaborate sa amin kung paano po nakuha o nasungkit po ninyo itong isang napaka prestihiyosong award na ito po ay International Awards ang inyo pong nasungkit?
Okay po. Siguro po ay umpisahan ko po kung paano po nagsimula itong aming proyekto, yung tinatawag na lead channel. Ito ay yung lead channel ay isang responsive learning and development program na priority project ng Aroroy Police Station. So, natin po ngayon, panahon ng pandemya, meron tayong balakid sa larangan ng edukasyon, sa training at mga seminars para sa learning ng ating kapulisan. So, sa time ko po, nung nangyari po yung pag-come up ng lead channel, under po ito ng Move Up App that was founded by Up Technologies based in Singapore with a presence in Vietnam and the Philippines. So, this was owned by Mr. Paul Espinas. He was from Milagros. Ang aming isa din sa aming educational partner. So this move up conquered ASEAN as the best startup. It was announced during ASEAN Startup Awards last March. So ulitin ko po, the lead channel was recognized as the top learning and development channel last April 16 by the Up Technologies. So this yung na-receive po na award nito is yung Leadership Award for Learning and Development. So ako po attacking yung kasama yung project partner na si Staff Sergeant Heinilin P. Arevalo. So the lead channel has become the world's first law enforcement education player in an online educational through an application. So ibig sabihin po nasa cellphone at can be downloaded from a Play Store and Google Play. So this is the first certified educational and skills attainment among other law enforcers in the world.
Sir, dito nga po sa ikangay pagkasungkit ninyo sa ikangay top learning, ano po yung naging criteria kung bakit kayo po inabigyan itong napakataas at prestihiyosong award na mula pa naman sa Singapore?
Since this is a micro-learning platform that is based in an application, ibig sabihin, it can be downloaded in a cellular phone. So, we were given a channel by the owner of the Up Technologies. Sa Move Up app channel, which is yung pangalan namin is lead channel, and we have courses dito sa lead channel na to. Interactive na micro-learning platform na yung first na mga participants namin is yung for the Aroroy MPS personnel only. So, we started this project since last kung di ako nabali, October, then meron kaming level ng November until maka-receive kami ng award noong March. So yung subscriber po natin as nag-expand since ginawa na po nating best practice ng Municipal Police Station. Sinabit namin sa provincial level at na-deliberate at pumasa with ilang 92.75 yung rating as best practice sa provincial level. So ang ginawa po ng provincial police office ng Masbate PPO is kinascade since nagandahan sila at talagang a pioneer learning and development program. Kinascade po ito sa different municipal police stations sa entire province. So lumaki po yung subscribers natin, yung participants, kaya isa ito sa naging contributory factor kung bakit kami ay naging na-qualify as the top learning and development channel. I'm sorry, last April 16 pala po ito by Up Technologies.
Sir, ano po yung mga nakapaloob dun sa ikangay requirements na kung saan ay naabot ninyo po itong isang napakalaking award na ibigay sa inyo.
Dahil ngayong pandemya is na-address po natin ang hindrances natin dito sa education. We come up ng ganitong klaseng project para ma-circumvent natin yung mga hindrances ng face-to-face learning, katulad ng educational system. So, yun nga ang ginawa namin para ma-circumvent itong problema is nag-start up kami ng project. Lumaki yung participants, yung students lumaki, at saka na-surpass namin yung ibang channel dito sa mobile.
So, ano po yung karagdagang kung bakit nakuha niyo po itong prestigious award na naidagdag po doon sa apps na naidagdag pa kung kaya't nakuha niyo po itong award?
Isa siguro, sir, sa ano natin is as a law enforcement agency ay parang very unique sa isang law enforcement agency na mag-develop ng ganito. Supposedly dapat sa mga educational institutions dapat yung ganyan. Pang-academic. But yung PNP is nag-come up ng ganitong idea at umasa kami na magiging standard ito ng PNP Learning and Development Program ng PNP.
Sir, nung makuha po ninyo ito, ano po yung naging nung ating provincial police office po? Ini-apply po ba din ito sa pangkalahatan dito sa ating lalawigan o pang-ikangay masundan?
Opo, sa ngayon po, nung nilaunch po ito namin last November, in-apply po ito ng Masbate Provincial Office ng Masbate sa buong police stations, 21 police stations, including 1 CP. So, ibig sabihin po, lahat po ng PNP personnel natin is mayroon ng downloaded app and our subscribers and our taking courses dito sa ating lead channel. So sa ganitong pamaraan is continuous po yung ating learning at magiging equipped yung ating police force ng knowledge at lahat ng klaseng subject matter na pwedeng pag-aralan sa ganitong platform. So ibig sabihin, this is very different from face-to-face, yung online classes like webinars, which is real time yung ginagawa. Ibig sabihin, may schedule yung instructor and then yung participants. Dito, sa channel po natin is you can take this anywhere, anytime. Interactive since merong ang instructor ay yung participants is magte-take ng quizzes and then later on yung exam. So kailangan niyang may pasa yung exam and then meron siyang certificates na makukuha. Diretso po ito sa kanyang email address na ginamit doon sa pag-create ng account as a student.
Sir, doon naman po sa inyong leadership awards na na-receive at ni Ma'am Heidelin Pimentel Arevalo. So, paano po ninyong dalawa ito nasungkit yung itaas din na awards na inyo pong na-receive?
Opo, ito po yung maganda nung since umupo po ako dito sa Aroroy Municipal Police Station. Napakaswerte po natin at nakakreate po tayo ng isang team para pa mag-develop ng ganitong klaseng project. So, lalong-lalo na, kaya Staff Sergeant Heidelin Arevalo yung ating PSNP, PNCO o yung Police Strategy Management Team na created. So, kasama po ng ating technical working group na nag-craft po ito na project at yun nga, kami nagpapasalamat at na-recognize ito internationally. Nabigyan kami ng award at sa tulong na rin po ng buong team ng Aroroy MPS, sa support ng local government units, sa support ng provincial headquarters at ng community ng Aroroy at other police personnel ng Masbate PPO ay sama-sama po kami na-recognize internationally. Kami nag-start at umaasa po kami na ito mag-expand yung project na to at sana maging standard po ng organization when it comes to microlearning.
So bilang pilot at pioneering po nitong ikangay apps na to, so ano po yung pwede mong maipaabot doon sa inyo pong mga sahanay ng PNP nang sa gayon po ay makakuha din sila nitong ikangay award, hindi lang po dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, bagkus datapot ito po ay sa ibang bansa pa nang galing.
Actually, yung sabi mo nga kanina, yung may-ari po nito is from kababayan din po natin. Pati is from Mr. Paul Espines from Milagros, Masbate.
So why did we develop MoveUp? Just a quick background about the company. We've been around for a while now. We are headquartered in Singapore, and we're operating in countries like Vietnam and the Philippines. Last year, when lockdown was announced, we realized that there's a massive need for organizations, for teachers, schools, and trainers to continuously train and learn without the face-to-face environment. So we decided to create MoveUp to really help people and organizations and schools to continuously train. Right? So we decided to give Aroroy police station free access on the channel because we were looking for, number one, communities, content experts, and leaders who can put it all together with us at the very beginning of the company. So I spoke to Ms. Hides and I asked her on, we have this platform, is this something that is part of your initiative in the station? And just said, look, we've been planning to do a lot of trainings. We have the content experts already in place, but due to COVID restrictions, we are very limited in terms of making this initiative possible. So it was a perfect timing for us to really put in the technology and then the contents that they have already into MoveUp. So those are the three factors that we considered and made us decide that Aroroy Police Station is the perfect partner for us to make the community possible. One, strong community. Number two, Ms. Hides has a huge network of content creators, and of course, I know how she works. They're very proactive. They really go on a regular basis, on a weekly basis, really onboarding learners and explaining to them how the app works, what are the contents that they can expect in the platform, and so on. So those are the three elements that make the channel really, really successful. Within a span of 10 weeks, we grew from 0 community members to 1,000 community members. That was the fastest that we've seen so far in the platform. On a regular basis, we pick out L&D leaders and also top channels in the platforms. Because we're a tech company, everything is automatic. We don't do anything on a manual setting. So we have a platform called Firebase, and we also have a database on our backend, and we track which channels are most engaged, speed of growth, and among many other data sets. But the most important thing there is what we realized, that a lot of the channels that's in the platform, what made them successful is the leadership of the L&D heads or the trainers in that channel. So we decided to pick some of the top L&D experts in the platform for some of the most successful channels, and lead channel is one of that. It's the fastest growing channel in the platform, and of course among many other metrics in terms of certificate generation, and then the engagement of the learners on the content, which is very, very important. So nothing is manual, everything is automatic, and that's something that we're looking into doing on a regular basis, recognizing not only the learners but also the trainers and community leaders like Ms. Hides from lead channel. So big congratulations. I'm very proud because I'm also from Masbate, and I think this is a huge milestone that a small town, in a small island in the Philippines actually has a very modern and advanced learning and development initiative through MoveUp. And for us, we're just a platform. Without the leadership of the police force that they put into this, the efforts and the resources, and of course the content experts and the collaboration of the learners, this won't be possible. We're just a platform. The success of this channel really relied on the leadership that the police force had in the station.
So he is based now at Vietnam and Singapore. So pag sinabi natin na isang application and online, ibig sabihin walang boundaries po ito, sir. Bali, kahit sino po na participants, be it within the organization or outside. We have subscribers from outside of the PNP organization. Even sa labas po ng bansa, meron pong subscribers. For as long na meron tayong internet connectivity at napababa po yung mababa naman ang requirement sa data ng internet connection, even dito sa mga rural areas is makaka-access po yung participants po natin. So sabihin po natin, it can be downloaded through Play Store or Google Apps or Google Play. So magre-register po. Mamaya po baka discuss further by our PSNT, PNCO, yung Study Management Team natin, yung namumuno si Staff Sergeant Arevalo.
Ma'am, magandang umaga po. Narito kami upang kunan po kayo ng pahayag. Kaugnay naman po sa apps na kung saan ito po yan naging tulay o daan upang makamit ninyo itong napaka-prestiyosong award o international award?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Opo, sir. Actually, yung award namin is just a bonus. Because the very first thing that we wanted this project, yung pinaka-goal namin is to prevent the learning crisis from happening the best way that we can, kahit law enforcers today. Hindi lang to protect yung rights ng millions of learners, but also to drive economic progress, sustainable development, and lasting peace. So yung nasungkit namin is just a bonus.
Paano po yung buong konsepto at yung application na ito? So ano po yung nilalaman? So maaari mo po bang ma-elaborate sa amin?
Yes. We came up with this concept because as undeniable right, education is undeniable right. It is also the bedrock of just and equal as well as inclusive societies as key drivers to sustainable development. So during that time when the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as pandemic, alam naman natin na nag-increase yung policing powers. So we have noticed na meron tayong gap sa mga personnel when it comes to learning and development. So to circumvent the need for face-to-face learning, ang ginawa po namin is nagkaroon kami we gave attention or considerable attention doon sa digital solution na tinatawag. So that is the reason why na-craft namin itong project na ito.
Imagine busting your unit's bureaucracy, advancing personnel and team's capacity so things get decided and done with remarkable execution. Imagine knocking an end to analysis paralysis and all other organizational obstacles to great decision-making and outstanding implementation. That is the kind of transformation the Aroroy Municipal Police Station holds. The key to such transformation is recognizing that decisions drive breakthrough performance. Breakthrough performance sustains improvement. Improvement creates a management framework. Management framework generates strategy. Strategy increases adaptability. At the individual level, when an employee is adaptive, this can lead to improved job performance and career success. At the organizational level, when employees are adaptive, this can lead to gains in change management, organizational learning, and customer satisfaction. For personnel and organization to thrive, it is important to have a climate that encourages personnel to engage in adaptability and adaptive performance. We believe that personnel of Aroroy Municipal Police Station have the propensity to engage in adaptive performance by providing personnel with training and development. Responsive to change brought by the COVID-19, the Aroroy Municipal Police Station had developed a learning and development program for the new normal. The LEAD, which stands for Law Enforcement, Advancement, and Development Channel in Move Up app, which provides the non-uniformed and uniformed personnel of the Philippine National Police exciting opportunities to improve performance, develop capabilities and consistency, create a values-based culture, enhance the unit's reputation and profile, motivate and engage personnel to improve satisfaction and morale. It also helps community of learners have knowledge on public safety and security to serve as law-abiding citizens while contributing to the peace and order of their community. It focuses on 4 key areas of personal development: learn, engage, attain, and develop, which gives concentration on the knowledge of the unit needs, create personalized learning plans for each personnel, offers leadership development at all levels, and invests in whole person development. The channel was created in partnership with the Up Technologies, a Singapore-headquartered company with presence in Vietnam and Philippines, with the vision of using technology and innovation to improve experience at work. The company was well-known creator and developer of some leading platforms, and its Pioneer app is recognized in Europe and Asia as one of the top startups. Having the same vision, the channel was designed through its newest platform, the Move Up app, which facilitates training, onboarding, continuous development, and individual learning using a micro-learning approach. An educational approach that offers bite-sized, small learning units with just the necessary amount of information to help learners achieve a goal. It has quizzes for knowledge check and digital certificates features to see the result of an individual or team's learning journey. Moreover, it has newsfeed follow updates from the channel. Rewards feature is available to recognize learning progress either through the unit, organization, or public rewards market. The channel also showcases top learners with its leaderboard. The training is to be delivered through online-based measures, circumventing the need for face-to-face interaction. The platform blends personalized micro-learning with real-time performance, advanced gamification, and advanced technology enabling accessible learning and communication methods. But at the end of the day, learning and development during this pandemic is all about adapting. We have to adapt to online and virtual approaches and e-learning experiences. We believe that digital learning can shape the workforce with creative methods and will help the unit maintain a productive and healthy workforce during difficult crises. In this context, Lead Channel provides learning and training anywhere, anytime, because we help you lead.
Itong Lead Channel is an innovative na pedagogy kung saan nag-i-engage ito ng learners hindi lang sa organization ng PNP but also sa community natin. In addition, since this pedagogy ginagamit natin yung app, it is also accessible across the world. So long as available yung collaborative tools mo, which is cellular phones if you have. Pwede ka din naman sa laptop because we also have web-based. And of course, dapat available yung internet connection. Now, the only thing that the learners need to do is to download the app in Google Play. Also available in App Store if you are using an iPhone. Just download Move Up app because that is the app where we pioneered the Lead Channel. And we are the first law enforcer na nagsicertify ng mga courses. So, just go to the channels, subscribe to Lead Channel, and once you are subscribed, you can take courses from the channel. It has pre-quiz to check your knowledge prior to taking the course, and then it has post-quiz every after lessons para ma-check naman yung knowledge na naging mo while you are taking the courses. Of course, you have to pass the quiz in order for you to be eligible for a certificate. The learners will be able to receive 2 certificates. One is course completion certificate, and the other one is a certificate of recognition for completing the course. So, lahat ng courses uploaded sa Lead Channel are free. We are offering it for free. There are also other channels in the app where they can also take free courses. It depends sa community of learners kung ano yung interest nila. Napaka-broad ng courses that we offer in the Lead Channel because it focuses on the whole person development. Not just the PNP personnel but also the community. We are giving them the privilege to gain these courses para magkaroon sila ng broad knowledge about law enforcement to be a contributor as a law-abiding citizen sa ating PSG. So that is how the Lead Channel works. Hindi lang siya nakafocus doon sa development ng PNP personnel natin but also yung community as a whole. The good thing about this app actually is you can take courses anytime, anywhere. Hindi siya real time compared to other digital platforms na ginagamit natin usually today during the time of pandemic. So, ayaw namin na maapektuhan yung tinatawag natin oras ng personnel at ng community. Let's say sa academic sector, if you wanted to gain extra knowledge, hindi po siya ma-hamper yung productivity nyo because you do not have to take it real time. So even any time of the day, ang concept kasi is learning anytime, anywhere. So kahit nasa bahay kayo, kahit off duty kayo, or wala kayong ginagawa, you can access and take courses anytime. The good thing about it is you can also have it staggered. Like say, may gagawin ka, pwede mo siyang stop ulit, then balikan mo siya mamaya. So hindi siya yung dire-diretso. So nakuha natin yung advantage na hindi nahahamper yung productivity ng isang tao. Plus, napaka-broad kasi ng channel. Maliban sa lead channel, there are also channels offering courses for educators. Yung sa academic sector, meron po tayong channel na exclusive para sa mga teachers. Meron naman tayong channels na exclusive para sa mga HR personnel. Meron din tayong channel na exclusive naman sa mga finance matters if you wanted to gain financial literacy. We also offered courses sa leadership. If you are, say, a public servant and if you wanted to gain more knowledge about leadership, we also have that. Sa other uniform personnel naman, aside from the PNP organization, like say, Coast Guard or Bureau of Fire Protection, we also offered courses yung sa Law of the Sea, if you wanted to gain additional knowledge naman sa ibang trabaho ng other uniform and friendly forces. I would like to first thank Mr. Paul Spinans, the founder and CEO of App Technologies, which is based in Singapore with presence in Vietnam and Philippines, for the trust na binigay niya sa Aroroy Municipal Police Station, kung saan kami ng pioneer ng lead channel, a channel for public service officers, na naibigay po namin sa kanya na napatunayan din namin sa kanya na hindi lang nasa academic sector yung pwedeng magbigay ng education sa community, kundi pati din yung law enforcement. In fact, we are the first law enforcers certified ng mga courses na yan. So as of the moment, we have more than 1,000 subscribers already, gaining traction not just in the Philippines but across the world because we also have subscribers from other countries. Plus, the fact that we have also certified more than thousands of subscribers doon sa channel natin. We are expecting to deliver yung pinaka-expected outcome natin, which is yung whole person development ng tao. Also, makapag-develop tayo ng personal capabilities and consistency towards sa trabaho natin to deliver excellent service. And of course, because we were able to bag that prestigious award, definitely it created a values-based culture dito sa unit namin, which also brings pride and prestige to the province and to the regional offices of the Region 5 because we are under Police Regional Office 5. Aside from that, it fostered collaboration in the educational sector because ang educational partners po namin is malawak din. We have educational partners from outside the province and we also have educational partners from other countries.
So there's a company in Denmark which looks at startups all around the globe and evaluates them on a couple of different criteria, namely the brands, growth, and also the mission. And we were lucky enough at Move Up to win based on these criteria for the best new startup in the ASEAN region. So for the contribution of Lead Channel, I can say that it's definitely a major factor in Move Up success for, I think, three main reasons. Firstly is the number of learners. Lead Channel is one of the most subscribed channels in the Move Up platform. Secondly would be the expert content creators. So you have seasoned police officers talking about topics like human rights and disaster protocols. And I think lastly would be that Lead Channel has a very strong learner engagement. As of now, there's been hundreds, if not more, probably, of certificates issued for completed courses in Lead Channel.
In addition, I would like to thank yung leadership ng ating Masbate Police Provincial Office under the command of Police Colonel Juris A. Cantoya for the trust. Sir, thank you, as well as yung staff and command ng Masbate Police Provincial Office.
Yung PNP po ninyo ay pilit ginagawa na makapagbigay ng magandang serbisyo. Kaya meron tayong continued learning program dito po natin na isinagawa ito. Hindi tayo papayag na yung pulis natin dito sa mga pagbago ng panahon ng teknolohiya. Kailangan natin na mag-adjust at makibagay. So patuloy po natin gagawin ito na ma-equip itong mga police officers natin na nagbibigay ng serbisyo sa ating komunidad. So sa ngayon ay patuloy kaming mag-upload ng mga courses doon at umpisa pa lang po yan simula nung na-launch yun. Sana sa tulong na rin po ng ating from media sir, yung mga stakeholders natin from the community, kaya mabigyang pansin po yung ating project at patuloy na kami po ay naniniwala na sa edukasyon ay mabibigyan ng magandang quality at service yung ang PNP na bibigay po sa ating community. Nagpapasalamat din po kami sa mga educational partners natin na kung hindi sa kanila ay hindi ito ma-create na project. So sa PNP, sa support ng PNP, ng higher headquarters at sa local government unit po natin sa panguna po ng ating butihing mayor, sana po mapagtulong-tulungan po ito ng lahat ng sektor at maging ang standard. Hindi lang po ito mag-apply sabi ko nga sir, hindi mag-apply sa PNP organization alone, pero sa iba pang sektor. Pwede ito sa education institutions, other education institutions at other government agencies na meron ding pursue for education and continuing education. Ayun lang po sir, salamat po sa mga tumulong sa project na ito. Thank you po.
Okay po, maraming salamat din po. So yun po ang ating nadinig kanina kila Police Lieutenant Colonel Allan Macoy at kay Police Master Sergeant Heidelin Arevalo. At syempre kasama ko naman po ang presidente ng Masbate PPO Press Corps na sa Mr. Cyrus Camara. Ako naman po si Bombo Jess Igan Parion.